Hello everyone, today we will learn nomenclature by RS system for the Fisher projection. So let's start. Here is some rules for RS nomenclature. So first, identify each of chirality center. Then at each chirality center you have to assign priority 1 to 4 to each group attached to chirality center based on atomic number or atomic weight. Next, determine the relative direction of the priority order of 3 higher priority groups 1 to 2 to 2 3, means you have to ignore 4th group. Then if this is clockwise, then it is the R stereoisomer, but you have to remember 4th group is on horizontal line in Fisher projection, so R reverts to S. If direction is anti-clockwise, so it is a S stereoisomer, but if 4th group is on horizontal line, so it will be a R. So dear learners, it is very easy by understanding the different example. So we will discuss examples. Okay, this is first example. In that example, first you have to identify the chiral center. After that, you have to identify atom attached to chiral center. So here is a different 4 atom attached to chiral center: oxygen, nitrogen, then hydrogen, then chlorine. Then according to atomic weight, you have to give priority to the atom. So we have assigned first, second, third and fourth. Then you have to track direction of 1 2 3. So direction 1 2 and 3, it is a clockwise direction. So final configuration is R configuration. Let's see next example. Similarly, you have to find out chiral carbon. Yes, it contains chiral carbon or chiral center. Then you have to write different atom attached to the chiral carbon. So here is a 4 atom directly attached to the chiral carbon. Then according to atomic weight, you have to give priority number. 1 sulfur, second oxygen, then third is a carbon and fourth is a hydrogen. Then you have to give direction 1 2 3. So here it is a anti-clockwise direction. 1 2 3 anti-clockwise direction, but fourth group is on horizontal line, so S reverts to R. So final configuration will be R configuration for this example. Let's see another example. In this example, you have to find out chiral center, and with this chiral center, you have to find out the atom attached to it. In this chiral carbon, here is a similar carbon 4 carbon is attached to the chiral carbon. So we have to check next atom attached to each carbon atom. So here this carbon attached with a 3 nitrogen, because this carbon is attached with a carbon triple bond end. So carbon triple bond end, so you have to triplet the atom, so 3 times nitrogen. In this carbon is attached with a carbon double bond O, NH2, like this. So carbon double bond O means 2 times oxygen and 1 nitrogen. In this carbon you can see directly 2 hydrogen and 1 fluorine, 2 hydrogen and 1 fluorine. And this carbon CH2 NH2, 2 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen, 2 hydrogen and 1 nitrogen. So here is total 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. Here is total 12 atom. In that 12 atom we can find highest atomic weight fluorine. So first priority goes to this carbon. Then remaining, here is a 3 and 3, total 9 atom. Oxygen having a highest priority, it is a second. And here is a 3 nitrogen and HH, and total from these 6 nitrogen, remaining nitrogen having a higher priority, so it is a third number and it is a fourth number, like this: 1, 2, 3 and 4. And direction 1, 2, 3, it is a anti-clockwise direction. But fourth group is on horizontal line. This is a horizontal line, so we have to reverse this S configuration to R. So final answer is a R configuration for this example. So dear learner, might you understand how to assign RS nomenclature to different stereoisomers. Here is some more examples. So try yourself for this following example and give your answer in comment box. So dear learner, thank you for watching this video.